Seagull, go out.
Oh my god.
Well, if you stand in the middle of the door, it never goes out.
Oh, okay then.
And believe it or not, I wanted to leave. Seagull,
Come on, Seagull.
there's no food here.
Clean the floor, babe.
It's cleaning. Yeah, it actually does.
I see you doing that.
That's a better job than Holly. If you shit on my floor, break your neck.
Come on, sit out.
Alright, go Holly.
Come on, Seagull.
I'm not sure you can do that with your phone in your hand. I want you to grab it with your both hands. Yeah, I can see it.
Oh dear.
It's cleaning the floor.
It does.
Come on, Seagull.
You're not very afraid, are you? Yeah, they're closing in. Alright, you get an escape way there. That way. No, not here. No! Hold your phone. Huh? She got left. Ollie, that's a stupid idea. I don't know why. Yeah, good job.
Let's hurry up before you get there.
Thank you. Doesn't look like very happy. I don't want to be kicked out.